In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to split a table in PowerPoint quickly and the right way. If you've ever created a large table on a slide and then realized you needed to break it into two separate tables, you probably noticed there isn't a simple split table button like there is in Microsoft Word. But don't worry, there's a very easy workaround, and once you learn it, you'll be able to split tables in seconds. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small but important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple PowerPoint tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide that contains the table you want to split. Click anywhere inside the table so that the Table Tools options appear in the ribbon at the top of your screen. This confirms that the table is active and ready to be edited. Next, decide exactly where you want to split the table. Think of this as choosing which row will become the first row of your new second table. Once you've decided, click on that entire row to select it. The easiest way to do this is to move your cursor to the left edge of the slide until it turns into a small black arrow pointing to the right, then click to highlight the full row. Now here's the important part. After selecting that row, you need to also select every row below it. To do this, click and drag downward until all the rows you want moved into the second table are highlighted. Alternatively, you can click the first row you want to move, then hold down the Shift key and click the last row to select everything in between. Make sure all intended rows are clearly highlighted before moving on. Once those rows are selected, press Ctrl X on your keyboard. This will cut the selected rows from the original table. You'll notice that the table now only contains the rows above your split point. Don't worry, the cut content is safely stored in your clipboard and ready to be pasted. Now click anywhere outside of the current table on the slide. This step is very important, because if you paste while still inside the table, PowerPoint will simply paste the rows back into the same table. Clicking outside ensures that PowerPoint creates a brand new table when you paste. After clicking outside the table, press Ctrl V on your keyboard to paste. Instantly, PowerPoint will create a second table containing the rows you cut earlier. And just like that, you've successfully split one table into two separate tables. At this point, you can reposition the new table anywhere on your slide. Click and drag it to align it properly. You can also resize it, adjust formatting, or apply a different table style if needed. If the alignment looks slightly off compared to the original table, use the alignment guides in PowerPoint to line everything up cleanly. One quick bonus tip, if your original table had a header row and you want the second table to also display that same header, you'll need to manually copy and paste the header row into the new table. Simply select the header row from the first table, press Ctrl C, click inside the new table at the top, and press Ctrl E. As you can see, even though PowerPoint doesn't have a built-in split table button, this cut and paste method works perfectly and only takes a few seconds once you know the steps. Click inside the table, select the row where you want to split, select that row and all rows below it, press Ctrl X, click outside the table, and press Ctrl V. That's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.